Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy F12. Okay, so what we will need for are the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you will have a screenshot. After you can edit the picture here or share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger and so on. One more time, the power button and the volume down button. So just for short together and you will have a screenshot. And if you tap here now on the editing symbol, you're able to draw something inside, or you can also tap here on the corner. Then you can also crop a part of the screenshot, maybe a picture from a website or something like this. And you can share this edited part here directly, or with the arrow you can save it directly to your gallery. And we are the pictures, of course, here at the gallery. And as you can see, I had already some tries here. And what is very nice here at the gallery, if you go on the albums here, the category albums here, then you will have an own folder just for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.